Xianyun, one of the mighty and illuminated Adepti of Jueyun, now walks among mortals. Her expertise in mechanical contraptions and Anemo abilities makes her a versatile character. Let's dive into her story and unlock her full potential. Xianyun was once known as the Cloud Retainer, a powerful adeptus who maintained the celestial bodies in Jueyun. Her past influences her role in Liyue and her interactions with other characters. Xianyun's vision is Anemo, and she wields a catalyst. Her abilities allow her to control the winds and manipulate her surroundings. Let's explore how to utilize her abilities effectively. To maximize Xianyun's potential, pair her with characters that complement her abilities, such as Sucrose or Bennett. These team comps can help you take your gameplay to the next level. The right artifact and weapon builds can make all the difference in Xianyun's performance. We'll cover the best builds and strategies for her. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Genshin Impact guides and content. What's your favorite Xianyun team comp? Share with us in the comments below.